Hey, what's up guys? It's DZ. I'm going to be doing a flight test and review of the Blue Heron by Force One. You guys stay tuned and we will have that video coming up next. See you in a few. I'm back. It's DZ. Back with that review on the Force One Blue Heron. I cannot stress enough how great of a bird this is for a beginner. If you got kids that are trying to learn, or you're trying to learn, anybody that's trying to learn, this is a great product. There's not a lot to the controls. You don't have to learn a whole lot. It takes pictures, videos in 720p. It flies well in the wind. I mean, you can't fly it in 20-30 mile an hour winds, but 10-15 mile an hour winds, it'll take the wind really good as long as you keep it close to the ground. You can fly it no problem. It's very lightweight. Doesn't have a lot of extra bull crap on it. Pretty much just a great bird all in all. I was really impressed with how it flew in the wind. It's one of the best beginner birds that I've ever messed with. It doesn't have a lot of trim controls. It's not a very complicated bird to fly whatsoever. Has altitude hold. I mean, it's great. I'm just choked up for words right now because I'm so excited about how good of a bird this really is. I was really impressed.